Hi, good day. Today I am going to do my first portfolio regarding about administrative tasks in virtual assistants. I will show you how to manage files using Google Drive and what is the other techniques in order to manage the time. But before I'm gonna show you how to manage files, I'm gonna give a quick or brief background about file management. And the file management is the process of organizing, storing, and accessing files on a computer. And it also includes tasks such as creating the file, renaming, copying, or deleting it. And for that one, in order to do file management, let's go ahead now and start using Gmail. So as you can see, I am here now on my Gmail. This is my Gmail. And in order to do creating and managing my files, let's go to the Google Apps. This is the Google Apps. And let's find the drive. All right. So this is the drive. And I have different types of folders here. Since I am here now, I will show you now how to create file and manage files. And all I have to do is just go to new. Let's go to new and click new folder, and we can rename it whatever it is I'd like to fill in, like when it comes the files that I'm adding in here. So for example, let's rename it MVA portfolio. Okay, let's click create, and here it is now, MVA portfolio. And for this one, we can organize it by adding a color. And let's choose this color, rainy sky. And let's click this MVA portfolio. And we can also add another folder here, which is on MVA portfolio. On these courses, we can learn a lot of topics on the trainings. So let's add another folder here with a topics under administrative tasks, email management, calendar management, transcription, lead and prospect generation. That's the topic for that day one. So let me add now another folder, and let's type administrative tasks. Let's create, and this is now another folder. Let's create a new one, which is email management. Let's add 3 more. New folder and calendar management. Last two, click new folder, and transcription. And last, let's add another new folder, and which is lead and prospect generation. We can also add or organize color on each folder. We can try to add a color bubble gum. On this calendar management, we can add a color desert sand. On the email management, we can add a color arcade. On the lead and prospect generation, we can add a color experiment. And last, for the transcription, for the last folder, we can add a seafoam. And for this one, this is all the folders that we added under MVA portfolio. We can add more folder here. How many folders you want, we can add it. And also for this one, let's go back to the MVA portfolio or on my drive. We can also, since you already saw that I add or organize the color of my MVA portfolio. You can also organize a color on this another folder, which is, let me try this desert sand. And on this another folder, we can add another color, which is purple rain. And on this another folder, let's try it to seafoam. And yes, you can add a color on each folders. And let's go back to the MVA portfolio. So this is the another folder under MVA portfolio, and you can add files on each folder. You can add files here in administrative tasks. You can add here on calendar management, on email management, lead and prospect generation, transcription. And it will help you to sort the files or manage files so that you don't having a hard time finding out where is your file. So on this one, you can add the file here under administrative tasks. And this is an example on how we can create and organize files online. And by organizing files, we can create different folders, and also uh, we can upload a Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms for a certain folders or a different documents here on the folders that we've created. And if we added a files here, we can also edit who can view the files or the folder, which is, let's go to the share. So we can add the email or people who wants to show or view the files that we've created. And since it's restricted, you are the only one, or the only people with access can open the link. So it's restricted. For example, I want to show it only to Tristan Patrick Alvarez, and I'm gonna send it only to him. And since I want everyone see my files, I'm gonna pick the anyone with the link, and I'm gonna copy the link, and I'm gonna set it as a viewer, commenter, or editor who whenever want to edit my files or documents. And since it's already been created and set as an anyone with the link, whoever who has the link can view this file. And let me click the done. So yeah, that's all. And thank you so much for your time watching my first portfolio here on my training, and have a good day. Stay safe always, and bye for now.